could have done such a thing?
I'm sure they're in this. I'm sure they're in this room, or at least in the house. They have to
Yeah,
be.
we've locked the place down. No one could leave.
I was just having a cup of tea.
Yeah.
And turned around, and the mortifying incident had occurred.
Such a crime performing in such a place. It's sure we're going to have to do our best detective skills to find out who did this.
Yes, a mixture of Cluedo and Guess Who.
Yes. But after that, we should do priority things.
Yes, with fingerprinting first.
Fingerprinting, yes. Then dental examinations.
So we'll start with the fingerprinting. When a crime has occurred, one way is to fingerprint the area. If there's been like a murder or something.
There is.
So you can look at the fingerprints, because everyone has secreted oils on their hands and their fingers, and they'll leave it, and they'll leave it on the surface. And if you put fine films of aluminium or iron filings on the top,
you can find the fingerprint. And everyone's got a reasonably distinguishable fingerprint.
Yep. So there's 4 major types. This is in the book. We can talk through quickly.
Yeah. So
there's like an arch.
There is like an arch, which is just sets of arches on top of each other. There is also a thing called a whorl, which is a sort of swirly pattern.
Yes, sure. Just looks just like that. Arch, whorl. Tented arch is a little more awkward. It's got
sort of like a triangle, and it goes out in the same way.
So it's got the arch just like before, but much deeper around the centre, like this.
Yeah.
And that's called a tented arch. That's quite rare, that one.
And then there is
the loop.
Yes, which is
starts sort of
loop.
in the centre, just everything loops around this sort of central point, sort of like that.
And although there's 4 main types, everyone differs a little bit.
Yeah. So there'll be, because it's not quite as simple as a loop, for example. There'll be little bits that sort of come in between and make strange little patterns in between. It's just a general thing. It will loop around a central thing.
Yes, these are the 4 types you need to know what are.
So if you expose that at a crime scene, then you've got a suspect, and you look at his fingerprints and expose that. You hold up the 2 files and look together. But what if you can't get the suspect, or if his prints aren't on file, or you couldn't find any fingerprints?
Well, there's another way.
Okay, you mentioned
there
before.
Dental examinations, and this is mostly if you found a body, you need to identify who it did belong to. So everyone has dental records of where your teeth are, what ones are present, which ones have been replaced, all that sort of thing.
So if, for example, there was some sort of murder case, and the murderer was found to be a murderer, rather than going to the police, someone might have decked him, left him have a clip and burnt his body, whatever.
Yeah, but teeth are very hard to burn.
Yeah. So that they'd have survived, basically. You can identify the teeth, and then what they're called, dental specialists, forensic dentists or whatever.
Whatever, they compare these, they get these and they find out which tooth is what, and they compare it. So dental record will be something like this, all your teeth will be in these rows.
Yeah. So this one might have a slight chip in it last time you went to the dentist, and you might have an iron filing on your, I don't know, whichever. You'll have a record of every single one of your teeth and what's there. And
it'll be different for everyone, this record. So with that, and perhaps some other DNA information, you can work out who did the crime.
Yep. We get onto the more exciting stuff later, but we're just going to use these 2 things because a mortifying crime has hit the Clever Cracker studio.
It's just not on, is it, mate?
Guys, you stay right there, I'm watching. Okay. So we know whoever did this has some sort of a whorl, sorry, not a swirl. So they've got whorl fingerprint.
Right.
That's a finger on the outside.
Yeah, big finger though.
Okay.
With huge hands.
And the dental records show teeth.
Some
person has normal teeth, no fillings, no special chips. Lovely set of teeth, perfect for the particular crime. And the finger is pointing at only one person. And that person. It was you who stole my cookies. I'm not taking this.